Hello students, welcome to the science class. Today we are going to discuss some important facts about teeth. You know that teeth plays very important role in our body. When we eat food, it is chewed with the help of our teeth and food is converted into smaller pieces with the help of teeth. So the process of breaking down of food into smaller pieces with the help of teeth is known as mastication. What is known as mastication? The breaking down of food into smaller pieces with the help of teeth is known as mastication. Uh, Generally, no human have two sets of teeth in their whole life. The first set of teeth is temporary teeth or milk teeth. And milk teeth are 20 in numbers around the age of 6. Milk teeth start falling and replaced by permanent teeth. And there are 32 permanent teeth in 32 permanent teeth and 20 milk teeth. 32 permanent teeth present in an adult person with different shape and function, and each jaw has 16 teeth. Means upper jaw has 16 teeth and lower jaw also has 16 teeth. And these teeth are different types of teeth are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. In upper jaw and lower jaw, total incisors are 8, canines are 4 and premolars 8 and molars are 12. So how it is arranged in lower jaw and upper jaw? This is the teeth formula. I denotes incisor 4/4. It shows upper jaw number of teeth in upper jaws, and this shows number of teeth in lower jaws. So incisors present 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. Canine present in 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. Premolar present 4 in upper jaws and 4 in lower jaws, and molar present 6 in upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw. So 4 to 6, 4, 10 and 6, 16. There are 16 permanent teeth present in upper jaw and 16 teeth present in lower jaw. These different teeth have different functions. Incisors help in cutting or biting the food. Canines helps in piercing and tearing food. Premolars and molars, both types of teeth helps in chewing and grinding food. When you cut the food, incisors helps in cutting and biting food. And piercing and tearing food, canines help, and grinding and chewing, premolars help. Let's we study about the structure of tooth. This is the structure of a tooth. You know that our teeth are fixed into the gums, and each tooth has main 3 parts: root, neck and crown. Root is the part of a tooth embedded into the jaw. Crown is the top part of the tooth outside the gums. You can see that there are white hard part present in our mouth. That is the crown of teeth. And neck is the part between the root and crown. It is known as neck of the tooth. So root, neck and crown are the 3 main parts of the root. Tooth internally is made up of enamel, dentine and pulp cavity. Enamel is the white part of the tooth, and it is the hardest substance in our body. So one question is, which is the hardest material present in our body? So hardest substance present in our body is enamel. What is enamel? It is deposited outside the crown of the tooth. Hardest part, it is deposited on the outside of the crown, and enamel contains calcium salts. You know that calcium is very necessary for our healthy teeth. So enamel contains calcium salts, because enamel contains calcium salts. Dentine is like a bone structure, and it is hard. Dentine is like a bone structure, and it is hard. Pulp cavity. Inside the dentine there is a soft pulp cavity which contains blood vessels and nerves, which supplies blood in the tooth. Now, care of the teeth, or it is also known as oral hygiene, means to clean our mouth, teeth and tongue is known as oral hygiene. And how can we care of our teeth? We know that normally bacteria are present in our mouth, and they are not harmful for us. But when some leftover food present in our mouth, bacteria grows in it, and sugars present in leftover food converts into acid, and it starts decay of our tooth. So acids which develops from the action of bacteria on the leftover food destroys and damages the teeth, that is known as tooth decay. And if it is not treated timely, it is severe toothache. So for prevention from tooth decay or toothache, we should brush our teeth every day in the morning, again before going to bed. Massage your teeth gently with a soft brush, and wash your mouth thoroughly with water after every eating. When you eat, you should wash your mouth thoroughly with water, and you should also avoid eating sticky, starchy foods and sweets like toffees, chocolates, ice creams, etc. And eat self-cleaning food such as raw vegetables, carrot, radish, fresh fruits, contains citrus fruits, because all these are self-cleaning food. It does not sticks on our teeth. So these are the some steps from which we can take care of our teeth. So today you have learnt different types of teeth present in our mouth, structure of a tooth, and how can we take care of our tooth. So read this topic carefully, and you can make many more questions, very short questions from this topic. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.